Hi everyone, this is chapter 7.2, intensity in a single slit. Now recall that intensity is power over a certain area. It is watt divided by meter square. Now in this section, all the principle we've been using since the beginning of chapter 6 and now chapter 7 still hold. So the only thing now is we're going to use the trick we used previously in order to calculate the intensity at different point on a screen from a single slit interference. All right, so basically this video is all about explaining what this formula is. And we have the formula for the intensity. The intensity will be equal at a certain point on the screen will be equal to the intensity at the center of the screen. Now generally when we are solving these type of problem, we are looking for a ratio, and the ratio from the intensity at a certain point versus the intensity from the brightest central maximum. All right, now this term is multiplied by sine of beta. I will explain what beta is in an instant, divided by beta and all of this square. Now beta is a placeholder for this value. Now the derivation of that formula is quite complex. I'm not gonna do it. If you are interested, there's the complete derivation in your OpenStax textbook. But the main point is we can calculate beta by using pi multiplied by the width of the slit, sine theta. This theta is still the same as we've been using since the beginning of chapter 6 and chapter 7, divided by lambda in this case. Now, there's a point that is really important here. This beta is in radian. You need to use this beta into this sign. So most of the time, you will be given an angle in degree. You will input it over here. You will get a value of beta. But that's a bit challenging because now your calculator is probably set either on degree or radian. If you intend on using that value, and your calculator is set in degree, you need to do a conversion from radian to degree. And the way to do this is to multiply by 180 divided by pi. All right, now note the 2 pi cancel out, so it's kind of a nice formula. This is the official one. It's also the one you're going to have on your formula sheet. All right, so in the next few examples, I will show how we can use that formula in order to find the intensity at different points in a single slit experiment. All right, see you there.